Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Accord air filter. First, gather your essential tools, a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, locate the air filter housing, which is typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay near the front. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by unfastening the 2 or 3 metal clips that secure the air filter housing cover. Some models may also have 1 or 2 screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the housing cover to reveal the old, dirty air filter nestled inside. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to notice its exact orientation, as the new filter needs to be installed in the same way. Now, gently place the brand new air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits snugly and evenly within its compartment, creating a proper seal. Finally, it's time to secure everything. Carefully reattach the air filter housing cover, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the base. If you removed any screws, reinsert and tighten them with your Phillips head screwdriver. Then, reclip all the metal clips firmly. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed to prevent any unfiltered air from entering your engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.